Hey everyone, I'm Jason, and today's video I'm going to show you how to do a reset on your Fire Stick. So a lot of you guys are just like me. The Fire Stick's behind the TV, really don't have access to it. Once in a while everything needs to be reset. So there's two ways of doing it. You could go right to the Fire Stick, the gear, go to My Fire TV. Then you can head down to restart. The other option is on your remote control. You could do it right from there. All you do is hold the OK button and the play and pause button at the same time. Doing it now, it's about 10 seconds. You're going to get the reset right there. And that's all to it. Because sometimes the remote just locks up and doesn't want to move. This is an easier way to do it. And your Fire Stick now is rebooting. Loading up, and there you go. And now it should be working as good as new. So there you have it. So if you have to do a quick restart, just holding those two buttons on the remote is really quick and it's very easy. So hopefully you guys find this useful. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and like always, thank you so much for watching.